Hello kids, let's learn homophones. Homophones are the words that sound the same but are spelled differently. The sentence gives a context and help you choose the correct homophone. Direction: read all the homophones, play the quiz at the end. There, they are. Two, two. By, by. Where we are. You are. Night. Beer. Beam. Board. Blue. Eight. Right. Four. I. Choose. Male. Pair. Pure. Through. Hair. Bowl. Wait. Plain. See. Roll. Road. Made. Directions: read the sentence, choose the matching homophone. I ran over dash. Find the answers, kids. I was at the party. I want to dash a house. Choose the correct homophone. Dash were you the other day. Dash so kind. Choose the correct homophone. It was a very cold dash. The tree was dash. Find the correct homophone, kids. I have dashed to the zoo too. I think you found. I'm always feeling dash. Thank you, kids. Subscribe to Pasquale TV channel. Thank you.